In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on GoHighLevel. So in order to do that, first head over to their site itself, which is GoHighLevel.com. From in there, you should be able to see this. So you have two options. You can either log into their application or you can also sign up for their 14-day free trial in order to see what GoHighLevel can actually offer you. Into this case, since I already have an account, I'll just proceed with this login to app and just input right here your credentials in order to log into your application or your account. So this is what my account looks like. So if you're interested to build a website, what we can do is you can head over right here to our left sidebar. And in here, you can see all of these things right here. Now into this part, you can head over right here. Just click on here to switch and choose in here your account. I chosen my account right there, which is the Tiara trucks that I have. And from in there, you can see right here this sites option. So click onto this sites. And then from in there, this will load. Into this part, you can head over and then see that when you click on sites, it will direct you to the funnels. So since we want to create a website and not a funnel, head over right here to the websites option. And then into this part, click on this new website option and choose in here an awesome name for your website. So for example, let's input right here the store. You can create from blank or you can also create from templates. It's actually up to you. Into this case, head over and click on continue option. And then if you choose some templates that like I did, you will see in here the template library. If not, you can just see the Go High Level editor. In my case, I'll head over and choose in here this travel bureau. Click onto this right here. And if you're determined to use this one, head over and click on this continue option that we can see. And this will load this in order to open it. Now you can see in here the actual website that we have. So you can click on any element and you can edit that. You can change the images, the videos, and add some more elements if you would want. You can edit in here some elements, add some sections, and as you can see, this is actually totally customizable. If you want to add some elements, you can click on this plus icons. You can see in here the layers, the pages that you have. And once you're done with everything, you can head over and click onto this publish option in order to publish this on your Go High Level website. So in here, you can just select a domain wherein it will be added. If you do not have a domain yet, you can purchase a domain or connect a new one. And after that, head over and click on save right here in order to publish it all together. So that's how you build a website on Go High Level. Hope we helped.